Right, my mum has just been down to the chickens to let them out, and here's one of them. Here are the rest. We have 4, and the other one's broody right now. It's sat on some eggs, so hopefully we'll get some chicks. But they think I have food, so they're following me. Do you want to eat my camera? Because you can do. Oh, is it food? Is it food? Yummy camera. Tasty. Anyway, she said that there was a pigeon who had made a nest in one of the hutches, so I'm just going to go and have a look and see. Go away! I'm trying to be a secret ninja here. There appears to be a nest of some sort. Oh my god, it's a hedgehog. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so cute. I think I should probably leave it alone. But no, I'm sure I should definitely leave it alone. Let's get a good shot. Oh my god, I thought it was a pigeon, but it's a hedgehog. But there was definitely a pigeon in here, my mum said. Because she saw it. But there's the broody hen. How weird. Oh, cool. Come on, chickens, let's leave the hedgehog to it. How cool. Awesome. That's so cool. Silly chickens.